Alrighty, so I got the replacement pack from Super7 for Thundercats, or as Brian Flynn would call it, the booster pack. So we can switch out Panther's panties to the correct color and Jackalman's color, or his furry neck piece, so it will be more correct. Also, the weapons will be more of an accurate color. So let's dive into it. All right, so it comes in this mailer box, brown mailer box. All it got is, well, it got this code right here, barcode, and it said Super7 or Sub7 626 parts. 53561469. All right. So it's easy. See if we can get focus. All right, we're back. We're back on the track. Excuse me. Let's see. Can I? Ooh, Super7. Okay, so we got a box within a box. Okay, so it's boxception, and on one side it says Super7. Yeah, there we go. And there we go, the Thundercats logo and the booster pack. So let's see if we can open it with one hand. Careful with. Okay. Screws in there. Okay. So we try to slide this plastic tray. Alright, and there we have the replacement parts. So we got the pants. We got so we got an extra head. Ooh, pincher. Head through. And the eyes should actually glow in the dark, if we are to believe what Brian said. So I'm gonna try it out and put it in. But alright, so we got the weapons. They're more of correct color, but I don't think the muskets, what do you call it, musket? The rifle, maybe? Is it right color? Could be wrong. I don't think it is, but alright. And here is Jackalman's. Yep, in there. Here we go. So it's, can we focus? Yep. There we go. Super nice, super nice. So depending on where you order it, if you order it from Big Bad Toy Store or Entertainment Earth or Super7's own site, you should get them. But if you don't get them, please contact them, and they should be kind enough to send it out to you, because this is what should have been in the package from in the first place. And if you look at my pant through, his arm is twisted, like, I don't know, his bicep is out, bending outwards or twisted out. So it don't matter, you coming out finally. I've been waiting for the replacement parts, so yeah. Don't wait. Sorry. Also, we got a paper sheet of instructions, so it should be straightforward. So we got 1, 2, and 3 steps. So heat up the shorts with a hair dryer until they are soft and pliable. Use a rounded edge tool to rotate the shorts gradually over the hips and around the legs. Keep the shorts heated as you go. And then for the last step, as you can see on the pictures, Heat up the replacement shorts and rotate them around the legs as you work them upwards to place on the body. And you should be set to go. Alright, so there you have them. The replacement part or booster pack. It's called, yep, the booster pack. So yeah, take care and I hope you get yours soon. And also, what are your thoughts about the Thunder Tank? Are you stoked? Are you about to get it? Do you want to get it, or do you think the price tag don't simply justify what you get? So yeah, you can leave a comment down below, and if you like this, please subscribe and like, and take care. Bye. Well, we got the mice right there, and I mean, it lights up a little bit. Oh, there we go. What? Let's see. What's up, boy? Alright, so it kind of light, come on, it kind of light up, but not as much as I would have liked, but you know, it's there. And yeah, face sculpt is real nice, like them eyes. So yeah,